Switzerland, a country shaped by mountains and mirrored in lakes, where precision meets poetry, and every view feels painted by perfection. Here, snow peaks kiss blue skies, clocks keep time to silence, and every journey feels eternal. This is Wonders of Switzerland, 10 places where nature and culture live in harmony. Number 1. Zurich. The soul of modern Switzerland. Zurich is where elegance meets energy. Glass towers reflect medieval spires. Trams glide along rivers older than history, and cafes hum with quiet conversation. Walk beside the Limmat River at sunset, and you'll feel the pulse of a city that never rushes. It simply flows. From the cobbled alleys of the Old Town to the luxury shops of Bahnhofstrasse, Zurich blends refinement and rebellion, business and beauty, art and precision. At its heart beats a truth: progress can be graceful. Number 2. Mount Rigi Kulm, the Queen of Mountains. They call it the Queen of Mountains, Rigi Kulm, standing proudly between Lakes Lucerne and Zug. As dawn rises, the peaks blush with gold. Mist rolls like silk through the valleys below. At the summit, the world unfolds in every direction. Snow, water, sky, all woven into one infinite view. The first cogwheel train in Europe still climbs this mountain, carrying travelers into the clouds. It's more than a view. It's a reminder that peace is not found above the clouds, but within them. Number 3. Lake Lucerne, the mirror of heaven. Cradled by mountains, Lake Lucerne glimmers like liquid glass. Sailboats drift across reflections so perfect you can't tell where the world ends and heaven begins. Legends say William Tell once crossed these waters in his fight for freedom, and maybe he still whispers through the wind. Villages like Vegas and Witznau rest peacefully on the shore, framed by peaks that guard their silence. Every ripple tells a story of calm, courage, and timeless Swiss grace. Number 4. Basel, the cultural crossroads. Where France, Germany, and Switzerland meet stands Basel, a city of bridges, galleries, and dreams. It's a place where modern architecture rises beside Gothic cathedrals, where the Rhine carries centuries of history through a city that never stopped reinventing itself. Basel is alive with art, from street murals to the world-famous Art Basel Fair. By day, scholars and traders walk the cobbled streets. By night, the city glows in quiet sophistication. It's a masterpiece of balance, intellect and imagination, past and future, hand in hand. Number 5. Ticino, the Italian heart of Switzerland. In the south, Switzerland slows down and smiles. Ticino is sunlight, stone villages, and the scent of espresso drifting through mountain air. Palm trees sway beside alpine peaks, and the lakes shimmer in shades of sapphire. Locarno, Lugano, Bellinzona. Each town sings with Italian warmth wrapped in Swiss calm. Granite valleys and hidden waterfalls remind you that beauty doesn't need to shout. It whispers, like the breeze through olive trees. Number 6. Interlaken. Between two lakes beyond imagination, nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken is the heart of Swiss adventure. Paragliders soar above emerald water, trains snake through alpine passes, and every corner frames the towering Jungfrau. It's a place where adrenaline meets serenity, where you can chase waterfalls in the morning and sip hot chocolate under glaciers by night. Interlaken isn't just a destination, it's a feeling, the freedom of mountains meeting sky. Number 7. Quinten, the secret village on the lake. Hidden on the northern shore of Lake Wallen, the tiny village of Quinten is a whisper from another time. There are no roads, no cars, only boats and forest paths that lead to stillness. Vineyards tumble down the hillsides, and the air tastes of fruit and freedom. Here, the Mediterranean climate meets alpine cliffs, creating a secret paradise known only to those who seek silence. Quinten is proof that small places can hold infinite peace. Number 8. Appenzell, the colorful countryside. Rolling green hills, painted houses, and traditions as old as the Alps. Welcome to Appenzell. Here bells echo from dairy cows across flower-filled meadows, and time seems to linger lovingly between sunrise and sunset. Locals greet you with warmth, wearing embroidered costumes passed down for generations. Every summer, yodels rise through the valleys like hymns to the land itself. Appenzell is the living heart of Switzerland's rural soul, humble, honest, and endlessly beautiful. Number 9. Montreux, the Riviera of the Alps. On the shores of Lake Geneva, Montreux shimmers in elegance. The promenade blooms with palms and roses. The air hums with music and memory. Freddie Mercury once stood here, gazing across the lake he called freedom. Every July, the Montreux Jazz Festival fills the night with rhythm and light. Beyond the city, vineyards climb the Lavaux terraces, golden rows flowing down to blue water. Montreux is Switzerland at its most romantic, refined, artistic, alive. Number 10. Gruyères, the taste of tradition. Tucked in the green folds of Fribourg, the medieval town of Gruyères feels like stepping into a storybook. Stone streets wind around a castle that watches over the valley, while the aroma of warm cheese and chocolate drifts from open windows. This is the birthplace of Gruyère cheese, crafted slowly with patience and pride. Nearby, the H.R. Giger Museum whispers of surreal imagination, proving that even in fairy tale villages, art still dares to dream. Gruyères is the final note in Switzerland's song, rich, comforting, and unforgettable. From Zurich's rivers to Rigi's peaks, from Ticino's sunlit lanes to the misty calm of Lucerne, Switzerland is more than beauty, it is balance. Here, time flows gently. The world feels in tune. Every lake reflects patience. Every mountain stands for strength. Every village hums with quiet grace. Switzerland teaches us that wonder doesn't need to be loud. It lives in stillness, in precision, in the simple perfection of being present. When you leave, you carry its peace in your heart, the silence of snow, the sparkle of water, the kindness of its people. This is Switzerland, a masterpiece carved by nature, refined by time, and remembered forever.